model, 2018 Peugeot Boxer 435 Professional L4H2 Blue Hdi Novat Euro 6 spares or repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 106,000. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, tries to fire. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition. Honest, hardworking van that's been used as intended and ready for more. Features, 1 former keeper, Euro status, Ulez.